First collect it right, start with the question. Count what you see, keep one clear direction. Data means facts, numbers named your tallies. Put each answer in tidy little rallies. Use a tally mark for each thing you find. One by one, line by line. Keep it all aligned, then sort it out by category. Same kind together so it's easy to see. And if it's messy, you lose the point. Clean data wins when you make the join. Chart it out, make it clear. Chart it out, so the truth appears. Collect it, sort it, show it loud, easy to read. Chart it out, that's what we need. A table is a chart with rows and columns, labels on top, keep the facts solemn. A bar graph shows compare and contrast. Longer bar means more, it answers fast. A pictograph uses pictures to count. Each symbol stands for a set amount. A circle graph shows a whole in parts. Percentages split like pieces in charts. Graphs help us spot what stands out first. Big and small is same, that's how we search. Patterns and trends jump right out. That's what math is for, no need to doubt. Chart it out, make it clear. Chart it out, so the truth appears. Collect it, sort it, show it loud, easy to read. Chart it out, that's what we need. At the store, they track what sells. At school, they check test result. At the doctor's office, they watch the numbers change. In sports and weather, it all goes in range. Data helps us decide, not just guess and hope. It's how we understand, and it helps us cope.